Jugni has followed us up here and now she can't get down because it's too tall.
Come on, Jugi, come on. Come on. Come on, Shugs, come on. Why? What is so difficult? It's not so difficult also, Shugs. Aja Zed, you come, you come. Come on, Shugs, come on. It's okay, you'll only fall to your death. Come on, come on. Be careful, huh, Jugni bachcha. कुछ नहीं है उधर. Your path is very misled.
मैं तो जा रही हूँ जुगनी बाय. मुझे धक्के मत मार, मुझे धक्के मत मार. Okay, I'm going. I don't know about you, but I'm going. See, I have longer legs, you see. Keep one foot here on this rock, and then squat down here, and then you jump. Okay, Jugi. Bye, Jugi. अच्छा, okay. आजा चल.
नहीं, give her a moment now to figure out. Actually,
मत कर.
there's just no easy way for her to do it. Aja, come on. Come on. Aja. हाँ भाई. इधर छोड़ दो, देखो मैं इधर से क्या करेगी अभी.
Morning. Welcome again to the life of the Gadabout Pilgrims. I am Nidhi. Rishi is on the camera, and I don't know if you can see her, but Jugni here is grazing. We are here today on this mountain in Bhakhar in Disa, and there's all kinds of life around us. Look at that eagle. It's a great morning today, and you will see why. Come on.
Throw it off the mountain, Zed. Throw it off the mountain. Go get it, Jugni.
Find it. Go find it.
Welcome back, guys. I am Rishi, and after a long tiring day yesterday, we have decided to treat ourselves with a bit of mountainy openness, stretch our legs, watch some peacocks dance. It's been a great morning, surprisingly. We are very close to the Rajasthan border, but before we leave Gujarat, we still want to see a little bit more of Gujarat. So each one of us three has chosen a place.
Now.
How exactly can shooting happen with Jugni around? There is a cramp in my thigh. Ah! Ah! We need to drink more water. Jugni, she won't even give it to me. How do I even throw?
Go get it, Jugni. Good girl, Mafugi Shugs. Okay, so before she comes back, we have a moment's peace. Each one of us has chosen one more destination to go to before we leave. I have chosen Rani Ki Wow. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a huge ass well built by some king for some queen. Who cares? Not me. Other than that, Zed has chosen to visit. I'm kidding, there's no fighting going on over there. The Indo-Pak border. But it's going to be great. I've never been to the border before. Let's see how that pans out. And Shugs got some kind of... Shugs has heard news from the gods of animals that there is a coconut mountain somewhere. And she is psyched to see this coconut mountain. So we are going to go check out this coconut mountain as well. It's going to be great.
बहुत से राजा अपनी रानियों की याद में मॉन्यूमेंट्स बनाते हैं, पर पहली बार मैंने कुछ ऐसा देखा है। रानी की वाव को क्वीन उद्यामती ने 10वीं सदी में भीमदेव के लिए बनाया था। क्वीन स्टेपवेल। इस स्टेपवेल को एक उल्टे मंदिर की तरह बनाया गया है, जिसकी 7 मंजिलें हैं और हर एक मंजिल पर अप्रतिम शानदार पौराणिक प्रतिमाएं हैं।
A boy with a sack of potatoes told us about a stud farm nearby, and we decided to check it out. They had all kinds of big, beautiful cows and horses. Nino took this as an opportunity to ride a horse for the first time. Jugni took this as an opportunity to bark at horses non-stop.
I feel like a moron.
We had to tie Jugni up eventually, but she didn't stop barking for 1 second the whole time.
This one is called Panna. She's pregnant and she's going to deliver next month. So beautiful.
These horses have funny ears. Look how they move.
આનું શું નામ છે?
આનું નામ ગોરી.
ગોરી. હાય ગોરી. હાય ગોરી. ઓકે આ તો ભાગે છે.
थोड़ा सा पीछे खींच, थोड़ा सा पीछे खींच.
You're so jealous. Should we exchange you for a horse? Should we exchange Jugi for a horse? No. 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 Should we exchange Jugi for a horse? Okay. Sorry. Wild asses couldn't drag me away. We're here today to see the Indo-Pak border in Gujarat, which is about 200 kilometers from Disa. And if we still keep driving for about 3 hours, you know where we're gonna reach? Hyderabad. How trippy is that? It's not allowed though. Can't do it. Won't do it. Because of the sensitive nature of the border, we decided to not shoot too much around here. But we did take some pictures. Here, take a look. Jugni's first almost international trip. Wild asses couldn't drag me away. These These red pools of water, extremely rich in salt, are sprinkled across everywhere on this terrain, unaware of their own beauty. Along the way, we got to witness a big ass museum in its making. Many local artists and workers were working hard in the scorching sun to put this all together. The museum should be ready anytime soon in the next year.
This stop was Jugni's choice. She wouldn't stop barking unless we came to the mountain of coconuts. But what she didn't realize was they were not fresh coconuts. So here we are, mountain of coconuts.
This big mountain of coconuts is actually behind a Hanuman Mandir in a village called Lakhni Ghera. The ritual goes where every Saturday worshippers from all over the village or all over Gujarat come here with a bunch load of coconuts that they want to offer to Lord Hanuman, and they all come in and throw their coconuts up there, and that's how this mountain was formed. It's so big and so huge, it is Jugni's coconut paradise.
This is the end for the Gadabout Pilgrims in Gujarat. Me and Nino would like to thank you guys very much for joining us so far on our trip. And we hope to see you guys there for the second leg of our journey as well. Watch us get into all sorts of trouble in Rajasthan. But for now, let's just watch Jugni endlessly play in the fields and enjoy that.
What is that?
Fresh peanuts straight from the ground. Very crunchy. Need salt. Jugni! 2 minutes into playing with him. यार ऐसा पीछा ही नहीं छड़ रहा है यार मेरा
अभी
यार
जा,
तेरा आ
अभी
गया
जा।
मोया खोते दा पुੱਤਰ
ਚੱਲ ਰਾਮਨੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਥ ਹੈ
नहीं खेलना मैनू
ਚੱਲ ਯਾਰ
बहन दे मैनू कास दे उत्ते
ਚੱਲ હવે નહીં તો હું છે ને તારા ઉપર ચડી જઈશ ਚੱਲ ને
चल जा अभी जा
ਚੱਲ
ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਕੁੱਤੇ
अरे
ਮਾਂ
अरे
ਦੇ
नहीं,
ਲੱਕੜ
नहीं,
ਤੈਨੂੰ
अरे
मैं
नहीं,
मार
sorry,
पिटांगी
sorry, अरे
कुत्ते दे
अरे ना
पुत्तर
હવે શું કરું આવતી પણ નથી અહીંયા બધા મારા માલિકોનું કામ ખરાબ કરે છે
ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਤੇਰ ਭੈਣ ਦਾ ਲੱਕੜ ਇੰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਦੁੱਧ ਸਾਰਾ ਨਾ ਪੀ ਜਾਇਆ ਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਭੁੱਖੀ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਨੀ ਹੈ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਡੋਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਚੂਈ ਜੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਹੁਣ ਚਿੱਤੜ ਚਟ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾਹ ਕਮਾਲ ਹੈ ਬਸ ਇਹੀ ਬਚਿਆ ਸੀ जो खाना बचे वो भी चितड़ों से खट के खा ले वाला
ऋषि भाभी Action.
Scar, brother, help me!